Hi guys, let's look at a new phone, Smarty 4 by Phonemax. Now I'm gonna unbox it for the better understanding of features and other specifications of phone. First of all, let's look at the display. The size of the screen is 4 inches, which is really good. It has a resolution of 800 by 480 IPS. And look at the amazing latest trending color, silver black, and the screen color is silver white. It has 1.2 GHz dual core processor, expandable storage capacity of 32 GB, which is really good. The best part of this phone is the version of this phone is Android 4.4 KitKat version. It has a dual SIM. As you know, now a phone with a dual SIM is a necessity. The primary camera of the phone is 5 megapixel, and the front camera is of 0.3 megapixel. That is the secondary camera. The internal memory of the phone is 4 GB. We are giving you the 1-year manufacturer warranty for the phone and 6 months warranty for the box accessories. It has a good battery backup, 4.5 hours 2G. Standby time is 170 hours. We are also giving you one flip cover, which will cost you around 100. If you go in the market and buy it, it will cost 100 rupees, but we are giving you it for free. We are also giving you a screen guard, which will also cost you when you go outside the market and purchase it separately, but we are giving you it for free. We are giving you a charger as well,